That house cleaner is not me, first off. Just want to put that out there. Let's talk about toilet bowl cleaner again. I feel like I sound like a broken record, but hopefully maybe eventually it'll kick in. Maybe it'll sink in. Anyway, my point is this. Don't use toilet bowl cleaner, especially the ones that have chlorine bleach, on surfaces it's not meant to be used for. See what will happen? But Kathy, I've used toilet bowl cleaner in my tub and shower with no problem. Your point is? I'll tell you what the point is. Just because today it looks fine does not mean that you're not eroding the surface of your tub or shower. Because you are. You don't see it right now, but trust me, you are. Oh, trust me, you are. And you know how people will use toilet bowl cleaner to get the grout all whitened and pretty? Sometimes grout is not made to be white. Whoever put the grout down in your house, maybe grout's supposed to be beige, maybe grout's supposed to be black, maybe grout's supposed to be brown. There's different colors of grout, so who knows? But my point is this. Chlorine bleach is a very corrosive, caustic chemical. If you don't know what caustic is, just Google it. It is not meant to be used on surfaces that it's not meant to be used on. What chlorine bleach will do is it will eat away at the surface over time or instantly. Because sometimes people will put chlorine bleach and let it sit for like 10 to 20 minutes. Or even a few minutes. That is not a stain that you can wash off. That is literally the stone or tile has been eaten away. That means the cleaner did this, like just grabbed her bleach or his bleach and just did a big old circle and let it sit, I don't know, a few minutes, however long. And that discoloration means that part of the tile is gone. It's discolored. It's gone. There is no magic concoction that you can use to get this fixed. Now, if you believed these cleaning hacks on TikTok or Google that chlorine bleach toilet bowl cleaner is great to use, what makes you think some weird concoction to fix it will fix that? If the thing that you saw ruined it, you think somebody else's opinion is going to fix that? No. You know who will fix it? Tile restoration company. They're going to come in, remove all your tile and put down new tile and probably tell you don't do that again. Or maybe they'll tell you keep doing it because you're just giving them more business. And that's going to cost you how much money? A couple thousand probably. See what I'm saying, folks? Don't use caustic chemicals on surfaces it's not made to be used on. I have seen countless tubs and showers and floors, kitchen floors ruined by toilet bowl cleaner. Yeah, of course you're going to have those that are like, oh, but mine came out so white and sparkly and shiny. Yeah, good. Because guess what? You just ruined and ate away the surface finish of your tile. You may not see it, but I guarantee you did. Guarantee. And over time, that toilet bowl cleaner that you'll probably use again because floors get dirty will be eating away at the grout. To the point that you're going to start having grout disappear. Like you're going to start losing grout. That tile, stone, marble is going to be eaten away. Think about this, chlorine bleach. Do you use chlorine bleach on your colored clothes when you do laundry? No. Why? Because chlorine bleach will bleach the color. It will literally remove the color of an item. It will remove it. Like if I had this shirt and I put it in the washing machine, I accidentally spilled chlorine bleach on it. I'm going to have this is going to be all white and discolored. Discolored meaning there's no color. It will remove the color. That's what chlorine bleach does. It removes stains, right? It removes color. See? It removed the color. You don't replace the color back on. You don't fix it by putting color back on. What am I going to do? Get a marker or a pen and put the color back on my shirt? Are you going to get a marker and color that back in? No, it's gone. Chlorine bleach will remove the color. It will remove the finish. It will remove the shine that's on a tub, the sealant that's on the floor. It will eat it away. It is corrosive. There's warning labels on chlorine bleach for a reason telling you don't use it anywhere else but where it's supposed to, like a little bit in laundry for whites or a little bit in the toilet with water, not on dry surfaces. Do you see what I'm saying, folks? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Because guess what, fellow cleaners? There are products that are safe to use to clean tile, granite, marble, onyx, wood, whatever. There are safe products to clean. Not chlorine bleach. There are products that will clean up grout lines that do not have chlorine bleach. There are products that will clean tubs and tile and showers and glass shower that does not contain chlorine bleach. There are products out there. Buy them and use them correctly. Oh my goodness, when will this nonsense of just using chlorine bleach all willy-nilly stop? And just because you saw somebody on TikTok use it and they claim that they're a cleaner, you're going to just believe them? Listen, if you don't want to believe me, but you want to believe somebody who did that, go ahead, knock yourself out. Google what I'm saying and then Google what this person did and see the outcome. Of course, you're going to have those that say, oh, but it works for me. Great. You don't see that it's ruining the surface right now. That's the problem. In some situations, it's a lot more noticeable. And give it time. Come back to me later. Come back to me maybe in a couple hours or a couple weeks or a couple days or whatever it is when your surface is ruined. And professional cleaners, here's another one for you. When you do this to your client's surface, you are 100% liable to pay for those damages. Because you know why? You used the wrong product on the surface. You are liable for it. And professional cleaners, a lot of you out there do not have general liability insurance. How do I know? Because you say it on cleaning groups. I don't have a liability insurance. I've been cleaning 30 years. What do I need insurance for? Because when you do stupid things, FAFO, you know what I'm saying? Do you know what that means? Okay. So that will be out of your pocket. And if you have a client who tells you, oh, can you use toilet bowl cleaner to clean my showers? No, nope, because I know better than you. No, I won't. Nope, absolutely not. And even if your client wants you to, and you have them sign some type of document saying, I'm not held responsible, you probably still will be held responsible. Your insurance company is going to be like, why? What did you... They'll drop you. Insurance companies will drop you. You think an insurance company wants to deal with this nonsense and how much they have to pay out for it? If a car insurance company will drop you for a speeding ticket or like going through a stop sign where like you didn't hurt anyone or anything like that, but it's a minor infraction and an insurance company will drop your car insurance for it, what do you think your insurance company is going to do for this? They're going to keep you on? So keep that in mind, professional cleaners. And if this is your house that you do that with, have fun. Good. You're the one paying for the damages to be fixed. So yeah, stop using toilet bowl cleaner when it's not in toilets. That's it. It's simple. Stop using chlorine bleach on surfaces that it's not made to be used on. What are you going to do? Sue Clorox? Yeah, good luck. That's why they have warning labels telling you, stop doing stupid things. That's what it should say. Okay, bye. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Follow for more tips.